Cigar Pals. Today we got the Drunk Chicken Original. And I met these folks down at the trade show. Awesome people, a lot of fun. And they got a unique product here, and today we're going to review it. This is a 5.5 by 50, full strength. Wrapper's Mexican, binder Ecuadorian, filler Nicaraguan. It's a Robusto, and we're going to check it out. And smells it's a real earthy, rich earthy with dark chocolate and like a hazelnut. Let's get her cut, get her started. No sense waiting around. Got cigars to smoke. Of course, I cut it with my trusty V cutter, my Calibri V cutter. And hopefully this lighter's got enough gas left in it to light this cigar. I like my Zippo lighter. It's a 2-burner, but I like it a lot, but it uses gas like crazy. Anyhow, I forgot to do the cold draw, didn't I? Oh well. I forgot to show you the it's got a nice toothy dark oscuro colored wrapper, and it's kind of a rugged looking cigar. I don't know if you can see real good. It's a rugged looking cigar with it's got tight seams, open foot. Looks like a double cap on there. Looks like a double cap is getting ready to fall off of there. That's a real earthy, and it's got a it's actually more of a hay barnyard, and it's got a little sweet chocolate in that dark chocolate, and I think I'm actually picking up some of that hazelnut. A lot of smoke on that thing. Okay, well, that's where we're at so far. We'll be back. Alright, Cigar Pals, we're a little ways in here. Not a third yet, but I'm picking up some barnyard and some chocolate, sweet chocolate, and popcorn, buttered popcorn. Kind of unusual, really smoky cigar. Draws nice and open. A little different. I'm not sure what that. Kind of a little different, kind of like a metallic-y thing going on there in that popcorn thing. But let's smoke it a while and see what happens. I will mention that ash is pretty flaky, so I don't imagine it'll hang on a long time. Alright, Cigar Pals, we're about a third of the way in, maybe a little further than that. It's been nice and like I say, it's been kind of like a barnyard, earthy barnyard, dark chocolate, and what was the other thing I said? Oh, buttered popcorn, yeah. So, been interesting so far. We'll be back. And Drunk Chicken, I met these guys at the PCA, and they're newcomers. They're only since 2019 they started their cigar line. And there's a story about it. I don't know if I can tell you exactly, but they raise chickens. So, matter of fact, I think they didn't. They told me they weren't going to tell me exactly how they came about the Drunk Chicken, but it has something to do with them raising chickens. That's what I know. All right, we'll be back. All right, and we're back. We're about 2/3 in. The not much changed. It's pretty much a one-dimensional cigar. I'm getting a little pepper on my tongue right now, actually. Numbing it up pretty good. Let's take this band off. See how easy. Yep, there went the ash. See how easy this comes off. Oh, nice and neat. No tears in the wrapper. That's good. So, it stays about the same. Like I say, I'm getting some serious pepper, but that's on my tongue, a little bit on the retrohale, a little on the back of my throat. It's still got that popcorn, buttered popcorn flavor, earthy, a little bit of chocolate in there still. Interesting. Interesting. I'm not sure. It's got a unique flavor. I'm sure there's some people that really love this thing. I don't know if it's my cup of tea, but I'm sure there's some people that really love it. It's got a unique flavor to it. Anyhow, we'll be back with the finish. Now, I was just noticing this is building a dark espresso flavor in there too. And it's getting kind of interesting, actually. We'll be back. Alright, Cigar Pals, and we're back. And this has been a really interesting cigar. Alright, come on. Excuse me a minute. At the end, in the final third, we had all those flavors. The barnyard, the dark chocolate, the popcorn, the buttered popcorn, and the espresso, and the pepper. And at the very end, and the only reason I'm ending this thing now is that it got a little punky, a little soft, and it's getting a little hot. But right just a few seconds ago, I started getting this sweet honey flavor in there also. So this has been a very complex cigar. Really, I wasn't expecting that. The first half was, it had some complexity to it, but it wasn't really anything that was keeping my interest real good. But at about the half, man, this cigar just came alive. So it's been a really good cigar. I'm enjoying it, but like I said, it's getting a little warm, and it's a little soft, and that happens. But overall, this has been a really interesting cigar. I've liked it. I had Deb taste it. She liked it. So we're giving it a thumbs up. We like it. Thumbs up. Till next time, Cigar Pals, smooth smoking.